Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can create a room in character.ai. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is select a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.beta.character.ai. Once you do so, you will end up in character.ai's interface. Now you can select the create option from the left hand side of the screen. Once you select, so now select create a room option and enter your room's name. You can name your room according to your preference. Now after you name your room, what you need to do is select characters whom you like to add in your room for the discussion. Now after you add your characters, you need to now write the topic of discussion. However, it is completely optional. Now after you do so and save it, you will end up in your discussion room. Now all you need to do is wait for your characters to boot itself up and type in any of your messages which you want to discuss in your chat. So this is how you simply create a room on character.ai. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.